Hello friends, the next point is AC motor. AC stands for alternating current or alternating current motors. So basic difference between DC motor and AC motor. A DC motor is the device which converts the DC electric energy into mechanical energy, and AC motor or alternating current motors used to electric current which reverse its direction at regular interval. So in that AC motor, AC motor or alternative current motors are uses in electric current which reverse its direction at the regular interval. So this animation shows working principle of AC motor or alternating current motor. Okay, an AC motor has two basic electric parts, stator and rotor. The AC motor again classified into different groups. Okay, so the classification of AC motor or alternating current motor, there are two basic group of AC motor. First is the synchronous motor and second induction motor. Induction motor again or further divide into two groups, single phase and three phase. So this is the simply classification of AC motor. Then this animation shows construction detail of AC motor. So AC motor consists of aluminum end rings. Okay, so these are the aluminum end rings, then aluminum bars. Okay, so these are the aluminum bars, steel laminations, then shaft. Okay, so this is the shaft. So in or this arrow shows the or this arrow shows rotor magnetic field created by the induced current flowing in rotor. Okay, or rotating magnetic field of stator. So in that construction of AC motor, the main parts of AC motor is the rotor and stator. So rotor act as a stationary device and rotor act as a rotating element and stator act as a stationary device that generate magnetic flux. And in that principle or working principle, when a current, okay, when a current is supplied to stator winding, it set up the rotating magnetic field in the stator. This rotating magnetic field causes a magnetic field to be set up in the rotor also. Okay, and the attraction and repulsion between the two magnetic fields causes rotor to turn. Okay, so this is the simply working principle of AC motor. Okay, means when a current is supplied to stator winding, it set up the rotating magnetic field in the stator. This rotating magnetic field causes a magnetic field to be set up in the rotor also. This attraction and repulsion between two magnetic fields causes rotor to turn. Okay, means the principal operation of all AC motors relies on the interaction or repulsion magnetic field creates in the stator by AC current with an opposite magnetic field either induced on the rotor or provided by separate DC current. Means resulting interaction produce usable torque which can be coupled to desired load throughout the facility in the convenient manner. Okay, means AC motor consists of two main parts, rotor and stator. Rotor act as a rotating element and stator act as a stationary element that generate magnetic flux. Okay, and in that working principle, when a current is supplied to stator winding, it set up rotating magnetic field in the stator. This rotating magnetic field causes a magnetic field to be set up in the rotate also or rotor also. The attraction and repulsion between two magnetic field. Okay, attraction and repulsion between two magnetic fields causes rotor to turn. Okay, this is the simply working principle of AC motor. So there are different advantages of AC motor. AC motor, the cost of AC motor is low, speed variation, okay, then high power factor and reliable operation. These are the four different advantages of AC motor. And basic difference between AC motor and DC motor. AC motors or alternative current motors use an electric current which reverse its direction at regular interval, and DC motor is the device which convert the DC electric energy to the mechanical energy. Or working principle of DC motor. DC motor works on the principle when current carrying conductor is placed in magnetic field, it experiences a torque. Okay, it has the tendency to move, okay, or produce torque. So this is the basic difference between DC motor and AC motor. Or working principle of AC motor. When a current is supplied to stator winding, it set up a rotating magnetic field in the stator. The rotating magnetic field causes a magnetic field to be set up in the rotor also. Okay, means this rotating magnetic field shows, or this animation shows exactly working principle of AC motor. Or the attraction and repulsion between these two magnetic field causes rotor to turn. This is the working principle of AC motor. So operation of AC motor. Principal operation of AC motor relies on the interaction of revolving magnetic field creates in the stator by AC current with an opposing magnetic field either induced on the rotor or provided by separate DC current. And these are the different advantages of AC motor, classification of AC motor.